Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Magister Stella espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the vacuum release valve, the one that you see right here, and we also replaced the gasket and clean out around the group head, the E61 group head. And that's all we did. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grand settings of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. As you saw, it was a bit fast, but we still got a good amount of crema on top of the espresso. Looking great. You see the shower screen, the shower flow coming out of the group head. It's a nice steady stream. Looking great. For this machine, it's nice and strong, as you can see right there. And hot water is working perfectly fine with a nice empty stream coming out of it once. And there you have it, Magister Stella working 1 second, no leaking and losing pressure and keep it. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.